Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video, Nailed It Projects. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. Watch the whole video, skip through if you have to. See if you like what you're seeing. Subscribe. Hit that bell to get all notifications. Leave a comment or a thumbs up. And please, if you leave a thumbs down, please let me know why. Interact. Alright? It's key to growth. Nailed It Projects. I've been working on this pool area for months. It's expensive. Concrete and lumber. My garden, as you can see, my cucumbers are not doing too well. And watermelon, lack of water. Greenhouse with raised beds and with pallet beds inside, pallet beds outside. Sugarcane and stuff in the back. Go back to the other videos, you'll see those. And this needs to be moved over there where that pink flag is. A lot going on here. Also, this pallet of bricks needs to move up towards the front of the house so I can make my columns for my gate. I have content for the rest of the year, so I don't see why you won't stick around. But business at hand. Did these, and they were doing well. There were corn in here and here, but for some reason they just wouldn't go past 4 feet. Corn came out, they got to about 7-8 inches and stopped, and then it just started drying up. I don't know what that was. So I'm going back to the drawing board, putting fresh dirt in with Stay Green garden soil, mixing it all up, and try it again. I was not going to record this, but it might help somebody out there. So there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and shovel, get that knocked out, and when we go to plant, I'll bring you back. We're supposed to be getting storms all weekend. Today's Thursday. I'm gonna take advantage of that, get the seeds in the soil, so the good Lord can do his thing. So I'm gonna get to do my thing over there. Enough talking. In the last video, I complained about the resident furry creatures tearing up my cantaloupe. Well, I planted more. This one was what remained from the lot that they tore up. That one and this one, so they're coming back nicely. Sugarcane is still doing great. They are jumping leaps and bounds, honestly. Don't have to pay too much attention to these. But I planted more watermelon and cantaloupe. Pretty soon I'll have to put up a trellis, keep them off the ground. I even planted some in between the sugarcane. One day I gotta weed this place. I do. But just wanted to show you guys progress on that. I spray it ever so often with deer and rabbit repellent, and I think they live in here somewhere. This is where I'm getting my dirt from my garden. This is a result of scraping my yard when we first moved in to get all the brush and branches and loose tree roots out. This was this whole pile, which also gave me a muscadine grape. So next year I should be getting grapes off of this. Here is just a little update. This is where I get my dirt from. I have loads more to go. Probably won't be able to use it all. Nice topsoil. And there's that rain I told you was coming. I had a bed and a half left to do. Hey, fire's still burning though. Hopefully it does burn everything in that drum. Yep, it's getting heavier. The garden area has been cut, weed-eated, no weeds anywhere. These beds have been prepped with manure and Stay Green. Check out my lovely mango. She's doing perfect. Banana trees are doing great, but the sugar apple is begging for life. I think it's getting too much water, so I'm gonna replant that. But before ending this video, I am gonna open these beds up. I have a mixture in a bucket of kitchen vegetable stuff, eggs, coffee grinds. I'm gonna open these beds up, pour them in there, come back this evening, soak the beds. Trying to hit me. And plant some seeds. So I'm gonna knock this out, go inside, because it is now 10:07 and it is heating up. I even got a little tan going on. But set you guys up on tripod, open the beds up, and get the stuff put in these beds. So these plants, we're gonna see the difference when they come up. I need to bring dirt back in here and fill this up. This is where the irrigation line is run. And as you can see, I have water trickling from over. Let me go to the other side. As you can see, we got a little stream going. It's flowing that way. You can tell the little grass is moving in there. There's flow. All coming from up there. I need to fix that ASAP. ASAP. Potato plants are doing good. The ones I transferred even. Taking root. And trying to harvest. I got 2 watermelons, 1 cucumber so far, but a whole gang of okra. I got 1 more cucumber on the side over here I need to get. Before I showed you the water issue, the little stream I had behind the greenhouse, my phone overheated and shut down while I was doing. They are done, and as you can see, I have pumpkin over here and corn, but amongst the corn, not sure what that is. So I'm gonna take those out and transplant them to that bed, because this is supposed to be nothing but corn. All 3 beds. So whatever these are gonna get transplanted. And I'm thinking it's cucumber seeds or watermelon seeds that were in the bucket with my little garden mixture. I'm gonna close this garden maintenance video out here, get it up to you guys so you see what's going on. And now from here onto that.